Now next is equal set. समान संच. Two sets are equal if two sets are equal if all elements of both sets are same. For example, A is equal to 5, 6, 1, 4, 3. B is equal to 3, 6, 4, 5, 1. So A is equal to B. Though the arrangement is different, but 5, 5, 6, 6, 1, 1, 4, 4, 3, 3. So A is equal to B. P is equal to 5, 3, 2, 1. Q is equal to 8, 6, 7, 4. Here P is not equal to Q. Though the number of elements in each P and Q are same, but elements are different. P set contain 4 elements, Q set contain 4 elements. Though the number of elements is same, equal, but the elements are different, so set P is not equal to Q. Such a type of is known as equal set. Idea. उपसंच. Suppose A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A is a set of element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. B is another set 3, 4, 7, 2. Now here all elements of set B belongs to set A. 3, here is 3, 4, 4, 7, 7, 2, 2. Means all elements of set A belong to set A. So B is subset of A and denoted by, this is the sign of subset. Means what is the definition? When all elements of given set are also the elements of other set, then given set is subset of other set. For example, P is equal to 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. Q is equal to 4, 5, 7, 6, 1. Here all elements of Q belongs to P and also all elements of P belongs to Q. Means they are equal set. So P is a subset or equal to Q and Q is also subset of P equal to P. Means every equal set is subset of each other. But every subset is not equal to given set. Means P and Q. P is a subset of Q, Q is a subset of P, and whenever such a condition is there, then they are said equal sets. This is another definition of equal set. Means when given both sets are subset of each other, then they are equal set. Here P is a subset of Q, Q is a subset of P, so these are equal set. But here B is only subset of A, but A is not subset of B. So A and B are not equal set. Only B is a subset of A.